Sorry, just doing a little hack in there. Um, Welcome to cybersecurity. I'm Mr. Good, and I wanted to say hi, and that I'm excited to meet you and see you in class. It's going to be good to have students in class. I wanted to show you around the classroom and show you everything you need as far as the academics go. So first of all, this is my new thing that brings me calm and joy. It looks like the ocean. So you'll probably stare at this a little while in the classroom. So anyway, let me take you on a quick tour. First of all, this is basically what the classroom looks like from my viewpoint. This is my little hacking website. It's fun to just do that. All right, so let's see. Over here is the Binary Cafe. This is where you can come, have a seat, have some coffee or tea, meet Sammy the Salmon, our class mascot. On here is a, well, it's kind of a joke, but only if you know binary. And then here's a little tea station. We got our new hand sanitizer and our entrance doors. Then we got over here, we got our cabinets with all the robotics stuff for engineering and tools. And back here we have our window. Since this room doesn't have any windows, I had to make my own. I think it does a good job. And then over here we got this game that if you want to challenge me in it, I'll have to start practicing again. 3D printer. I have an Arduino if anyone wants to try programming it. It's pretty fun. And then yeah, so basically this is our room. Up here, if you ever need old handouts, they're right there. And in this box we got some Rubik's Cubes and other fidget kind of toys. And here's a little goat. Anyway, and then I got pictures of my family right there. There's my cute little kids, my wife, my dog. Anyway, so that's kind of the overview. I look forward to having you in here, and let's talk about where to find all the school stuff. So let's hop over here. So if you go to Classroom, and if you're not there yet, that's the classroom code for cybersecurity. If you go to Classroom, then the most important thing you can do is click on this lesson plans. I'm always going to have it at the top of the stream. There's some other videos that they want us to put on our site. So I'm going to put that here. When I click on it, you are going to see this is like your one-stop shop. It should have everything you need, links to everything. Like up in the top, there's always Project Lead the Way login because our curriculum's on there. Google Classroom, a link to your notebook, which is really important because everything you do is going to be in your cybersecurity notebook, which you'll have a virtual one, and you'll click on there and open up your notebook and do all your stuff in there. It also has I made a bunch of videos, features to know, how to use your notebook, helpful hints. So I went through each lesson and I thought, okay, what is the most likely thing a student would get stuck on? So you might go through 1.1.1, your digital footprint, and have no problem at all. Or if you get stuck, open this up, see, help you through a few things, and you're recording stuff in your notebook. So everything is here. So you can see what we're doing. And in this class, we're going to try to do pretty much the same thing whether you're here or virtual. When you're here, we're going to be troubleshooting, we're going to be summarizing, we're going to make sure you understood everything you needed to out of the lessons. So I want to focus here on Cohort B for a minute because I won't see you until Thursday. Cohort A, I'll see you on Monday. It'll be awesome. Cohort B, I'll see you on Thursday, but you need to start working right away so you don't fall behind. So like on the first day, it's pretty light. You're watching the videos, how to log in, you're creating an account in Project Lead the Way, you're linking to My Classroom, and then on Tuesday, you're starting the coursework, even though you're virtual. So you're going to watch these videos on helpful hints, do a self-assessment. On Wednesday is our virtual meeting on office hours where you can ask me questions. I can share my screen. We can just say hey and check in because sometimes, you might get bored at home. Then I got all sorts of links and stuff like that. So see, on Wednesday, I want you to get through number 6. On Thursday, I want you to finish that and add something to our code of conduct and stuff like that. So basically, it's got it broken down. I made some videos, and if you ever have questions that aren't covered in the videos, send me an email or a text on Remind, and I will put up a new video or set up a Google Meet with you and be able to help you out, because I love teaching and I am here to help you guys do as well as you can. So anyway, that's that. I look forward to seeing you in person, and I will talk to you later. Bye.